What's up, everybody? I am a type 1 diabetic. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but I am. So today I am supposed to go get my blood work done, and that's where I'm heading right now. However, I'm not sure if the office is open for my new insurance company. I am here at the doctor's office. Thankfully, they are open, so I'm gonna go in here and try to get my blood work done. It hurts so bad. I'm just kidding. These needles really don't bother me. I've gotten used to it by now. But anyway, so I'm leaving the office. I was gonna try to video it for you guys, but she was like, get in here and get the hell out. So that's exactly what I did. So now I'm probably gonna go to the Walmart, you know, the favorite place on earth, and attempt to find a airsoft machine gun or something like that for us to use tonight, because we're supposed to go to war tonight. So I am getting this I don't know, M4 19101 rifle, a little airsoft gun to use in the war scene tonight. So hopefully it does a job. We'll paint that tip black and then just use it from there. It'd be really good for what we need it for. So see if it works. We have just opened the airsoft gun. Raymond's trying to put it together, I think. Well, we gotta get some black paint and paint that tip.
Yeah.
We gotta find I don't know if we have pants or not. You don't have anything, do you?
No.
So we were looking for military clothes. This is kind of just where we put stuff. Have a lot of cases over here and over here, different props and stuff like that. Let's see, bottoms, winter coats. I wonder if there's military bottoms in here. I doubt it. Probably everything except military. It says military right there. Definitely helps to label your stuff. Let's see if I can get it down. Iraq military. Ready to go. Military man. Now we just got to paint that tip. I got this on too. It's really just going to be my arms in the shot because it's kind of like a POV type thing. But we're gonna make it work, so hopefully I can do POV with this bad boy. We're gonna find out. We can't really wait to dry the spray paint on the orange tip of the gun, so we're doing a drive-by now. I wish I had really loud speakers with gun sounds, so we could drive by the creepy kids that came to my house. Oh God. So both of us managed to forget our driving license while changing clothes. We're carrying around something that looks like a machine gun and a bazooka. So, hopefully nobody calls the cops on us. So do you remember the exercises I showed you for the camera department yesterday? If not, wait till the end of this vlog and just click on the link and you can find it. But this is what I meant. Uphill, carrying the camera. It's pretty tiring. We've walked quite a ways so far, and do those exercises. You're going to learn how to do this without dying. Of course, I forgot to grab the smoke grenades out of the box in the back of the truck, so I'm running all the way back down to grab those. So I'm skipping the gym today, but for good reason. We were out of red, so I got orange.
12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. No. Fall back, fall back.
Ray! Ray! Ow. God, I busted the out of my knee. From there, I want you to just get up, hold the camera on my shoulder, and then me pull it. And just don't shoot the ground pretty much. I'm just gonna let it smoke. So when you hold the camera on my shoulder, all right, ready?
All right, go for it.
Go this way. That looks pretty cool.
Yeah, that is really cool. Because I could see that. What's cool about that is like you show that kind of like as you're going to wherever you're going or whatever.
Yeah.
Because it's the idea of after that happened, you were lost.
Yeah.
And in the real world, you're still lost.
Yeah, yeah.
So you kind of jump cut that through like present day.
There we go. All right, go.
Russ! Russ! Come on.
We are done shooting for the second day of the My Road Reel Film Challenge.
We are wrapped.
We are wrapped. We were only out here, what, an hour maybe?
Oh yeah.
Probably about an hour. Not too bad. There's a lot of handheld stuff, a lot of like POV stuff. Pretty difficult to do with the heavy red one. I'm pretty banged up from it. I hit my knee pretty good one time. Matter of fact, I'm gonna replay that for you and listen to the sound because that's my knee hitting the camera. Bone to metal. Here it goes. Ready? Play.
Right. Ow.
So yeah, that hurt pretty bad. I'm sure I'm going to be bruised from it. But you know, like I keep saying, do those exercises I showed you in yesterday's vlog. And just bang your knee on a heavy weight a couple of times. And do that 4 or 5 times in a row. Every 5 minutes. And pretty soon, you're not going to feel it when you do it in the field. All done. It's amazing that the last, like, what, 2 weeks? It's been like 90 degrees, 95 degrees in Georgia.
Yep.
And today, it's gone down to like, what did you say, 50 or so?
Yeah.
And it's supposed to drop below that. So, my ear is pretty red. I mean, you guys can see that. Well, my shoulder is red as well. You can see marks and stuff. You can see like right there, there's a mark. I don't know, just banged up from carrying the red without any shoulder pad or anything. Guerrilla filmmaking. So I have just finished doing color, well, I was going to say color correction, but I kind of went ahead and did the color grade for the war scene of what we just shot for the My Road Reel Challenge. I also finished color correction for the Jack Daniels commercial and the music video, so all that's completely done. Now we have just brought all of the footage into Adobe Premiere to start editing the music video that we shot this past Saturday for Lizzie Vincent. So that's what the man Raymond's doing. I was trying to get a shot of our beers and our editing software. As I was reaching for mine, I accidentally knocked it over.
I'm working. I don't know what the hell's going on over here.
And this is my first one, I promise. Oops.
That's hilarious.
I guess I need to clean this up. Damn it. Alright, that's a wrap on today's vlog. Please hit the like button and please, from the bottom of my heart, subscribe. I would appreciate it more than you could ever know. And remember, keep it cool. Peace. Do that again?
Dang, why?
Because it was funny.
Do that one more time.
Don't put this on your vlog, man.
I'm not. I don't even have my camera. I suggest picking up a 35-pound weight. Maybe grab this 30-pound weight and then pick up the camera too. And you just want to walk. You walk around the gym, walk in place, do whatever you need to do.